Understanding Factory Output, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, factory output. This is a common term used in business and economics, and understanding it is key to grasping how industries and economies function. So, let's dive in and make sense of this important concept. First, let's break down the term into two parts. We'll start with factory. A factory is a building or group of buildings where goods are manufactured or assembled chiefly by machine. It's a place where raw materials are transformed into finished products, often on a large scale. Think of it as a workshop or a production area on a big scale. Next, we have output. In general terms, output refers to the amount of something produced by a person, machine, or industry. It's the end result of a production process. In the context of a factory, output means the quantity of goods or products that are produced within a certain period. Now, let's combine the two concepts. Factory output refers to the total amount of products a factory produces. This can be measured in different ways, such as the number of items produced, the total weight of products, or the value of the goods produced. Factory output is a key indicator of a factory's efficiency and productivity. It's also an important factor in understanding an industry's impact on the economy. Understanding factory output is crucial for several reasons. Economic indicator. It's a vital economic indicator. High output often means a strong industry and, by extension, a strong economy. Business planning. For businesses, knowing about factory output helps in planning and strategy. Employment. Higher factory output can mean more jobs and better economic health in a region. I hope this video has helped clarify what factory output means and why it's such an important concept in the world of business and economics. Understanding terms like this is key to improving your English language skills, especially in professional contexts. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.